Will Samsung bring a radical flagship redesign to the table with the fast-approaching Galaxy S23 family? Probably not. Will the camera capabilities of the vanilla S23 and the non-Ultra S23 Plus be vastly improved in any meaningful way compared to the S22 and S22 Plus? We highly doubt it. But even though the charging and display specifications are similarly expected to more or less stay the same for the entire premium Galaxy handset trio, there is one very important aspect Samsung is reportedly working hard to substantially upgrade. How big of a battery life improvement should you expect? Unfortunately, it's virtually impossible to answer that question with even a moderate degree of confidence at the moment, and things are unlikely to change on this front in the near future. That's because a phone's real-life battery endurance is heavily influenced by a number of different factors, including its processor's energy efficiency, its manufacturer's software optimizations, and even the way you use said device. Of course, the main ingredient of this intricate and sometimes inexplicable recipe remains a phone's battery capacity, and perfectly in line with our guesstimate from just last week, it looks like the Galaxy S23 will add 200 mAh to the 6.1-inch S22's 3700 mAh cell. That's at least according to a new Chinese social media post by Digital Chat Station, who's been known to make very accurate assumptions and predictions of this nature in the past about other unreleased and highly anticipated Android handsets. The S23's battery should feature a rated value of 3785 mAh and a typical, aka advertised, 3900 mAh capacity, representing a bump of around 5% over the aforementioned typical rating of the S22's ticker. That may sound underwhelming, but with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor reportedly focused primarily on keeping power consumption to a minimum, while still packing quite an impressive punch, it seems safe to assume that the total battery life upgrade will amount to significantly more than 5% in regular day-to-day use. But with the Galaxy S21 measuring 6.2 inches in screen diagonal and packing a 4000 mAh battery without catching fire or blowing up to date, it really shouldn't be a problem for Samsung to engineer a completely safe-to-use, at least for the first few years, reliable, blazing fast, and hopefully, long-lasting 6.1-inch S23 with a 3900 mAh cell under its hood. The Galaxy S23 phones will be released on February 24, 2023, if Samsung's previous launches are any indication.